When the control panel for the G9 Air Purifier shows C, the collecting plates need to be cleaned. To clean the collecting plates, first turn the power off and unplug the unit. Pull the collecting plates out of the back of the unit and put them in a container. Use a non-abrasive cleaning brush to clean the external sheet metal on them and rinse them with water. It'll make them easier to clean if you soak them in mild detergent for 10 minutes before you clean them. Do not soak them for longer than 10 minutes. The surface of the sheet metal may have small stains from use. This will not affect how the purifier works. Let the collecting plates air dry completely for at least 24 hours. Put them into the back of the unit, plug the unit in, and turn it on. If there is still a C error code on the control panel after you clean the plates, press and hold the power button for 5 to 6 seconds, and the code should go away.
If you have further questions or need assistance, please feel free to reach out to us. We're here to help.